Waheguru. This bird really would like to come inside the Gurdwara. It's very interesting. Really shows his motivation to see Guru Sahib. Keeps going from one window to the next, trying to get inside the Gurdwara. Really amazing. His soul must really yearn to see Guru Sahib. Just keeps pounding on the window to get inside. We should all learn from this great desire of this bird to see Guru Sahib. This has been going on now for at least a half hour with this bird. You can see marks on the window where he's been trying to get in for quite a while. And where he is outside there, and he's completely free to fly anywhere else. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.